Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I love traveling but I enjoy vlogging while traveling even more. As this is our last year in Gujarat, we decided to visit Ran Utsav since we have never been there. So in my today's vlog, I am going to take you to the Great Run of Kutch, an enormous salt desert that lies within the boundaries of Thar Desert. Ran Utsav or Kutch Festival is a 3-month long celebration held at White Run of Kutch during the month of November to February. Yes, winters are the ideal time to soak the beauty of Ran of Kutch. Especially, it is totally worth visiting if you visit it on a full moon day. This festival is a carnival of music, folk dance, nature beauty of White Run, and also a wholesome experience of handicraft, art culture, cuisine, and adventure stretched across the white salt of Ran.
Did you say hello? Run of Kutch is 85 km from Bhuj and 400 km from Ahmedabad. The only way to reach Run is via road, be it by own car, taxi, cab or bus services run from Bhuj and Ahmedabad. But don't forget to top up your fuel tank while exiting from Bhuj, as there is no petrol pump available in and around Kutch. Even the nearest railway station and the airport is in Bhuj, which is connected to other major cities of India. On the way to Kutch, there is a place where you encounter the Tropic of Cancer passing through it. Also, entry to White Run requires permission which need to be taken from Biryandiari checkpost, which is 30 km prior Run of Kutch, and the checkpost is always open. They shall provide you with the permission of 24 hours. One need to show photo ID and driving license there. Whole procedure will take 5 to 10 minutes to obtain the permit visiting Run easily. So do not forget to take an ID along you. We reached Kutch in the evening, so instead of checking in the hotel first, we decided to see the mesmerizing sunset. So we proceeded to Run Festival. The location was absolutely stunning. The traditional music simply added more warmth to our heart. You can take camel carts or individual camel rides to see the actual white desert. It was truly a beautiful evening that one cannot forget. As I told you before, best time to experience Run is on full moon day, so we also choose to visit Run of Kutch on full moon day. Our village resort was 20 km far from Run in Hodka village because of non-availability of rooms as it was peak season, so we decided to stay till midnight, and till then we decided to explore the tent city. Tent City is a setup in the middle of desert, a major attraction and luxurious place to stay in the heart of desert, but you need to pre-book and the booking starts from May onwards. We were fortunate enough to get the permission of exploring the beautiful place for few hours. This place houses a marketplace where you can buy beautiful Kutch embroidery, handicrafts, block printed fabrics, leather work and many more things for which Kutch is famous for. The festival organized by Gujarat Tourism celebrates the culture, fusion of art forms and the humble lifestyle of desert people while also clubbing it with a variety of comfortable accommodations and numerous activities like paramotoring, ATV riding, community games and many more. We got a taste of local culture, cuisine and hospitality. We also had authentic Gujarati food in dinner, followed the bicultural program.
We thoroughly enjoyed the musical performance by the band, dance performance by the Siddhi community of Kutch, and dance performance by a 53-year-old man who did rotation for 6 minutes standing at the same position and made many creatures out of a single dal. Post-cultural program, Tent City facilitated the bus tour to explore the true beauty of White Desert in the midnight. Being there on the white sand with the full moonlight was an experience of another world altogether. It was once in a lifetime experience. It was so charming that it makes you believe that heaven descended on earth. Unfortunately, my camera didn't do the justice due to poor visibility. Otherwise, the contrasting landscape was awe-inspiring and very peaceful. After that, we came back to our resort by 2 or 2:30 and we were so tired that we slept. So it's our second day in Kutch. Let me give a room tour of this village resort which we liked a lot. This crafty villa was the perfect getaway to immerse one into relaxation and life. It was the perfect place to experience rural Kutch in all its glory and get away from the monotonous modern fast life. These villas offered comfort and serenity in the most natural way. We loved the traditional lifestyle there and stay in the mud house. They offered their home-cooked authentic Gujarati food poha, khakra and chai in the breakfast, which was inclusive. Also, the girls there weave their own wedding lehengas since childhood and their work were really commendable. Every village of Kutch is famous for their unique craft. This Hodka village where we stayed was famous for their colorful bani embroidery and leather craft. After checking out from the beautiful place, we headed again to the White Run of Kutch as we heard that the desert changes its color and looks different each time whether it's sunrise, afternoon, sunset or full moon. An amazing thing about this place is that it goes underwater when the monsoon season sets in at full force. Yes, who would believe that this whole land is submerged into sea water? Only these 4 months from October to February you can see the desert. Otherwise, if you come in any other month, you will experience only water here. And the reason told behind that is that the Run of Kutch used to be part of sea a few centuries ago, but because of earthquake on 16 June 1819, the Sindhu river shifted towards Pakistan from Koteshwar. Koteshwar is a place 70 kilometers from Kutch. Due to impact of earthquake, the plates also shifted, which concluded into backwaters and further into Salt Lake. And that Salt Lake dries up and forms desert, which we can see here. The famous International Kite Festival, which is one of the biggest kite festival, is also celebrated at Ran Utsav. The blue and the white backdrop acts like a canvas for the beautiful kite festival. Lastly, before leaving this Kutch district, we visited Nirona village, which is famous for centuries old Rogan painting that PM Modi gifted to ex-President Obama. In this craft, paint made from boiled oil and vegetable dyes is laid down on fabrics.
कैस्टर ऑयल जो अरंडी का तेल होता है उसको 2 दिन तक बॉईल करके ऐसा कम जैसा बनाते हैं। इसके अंदर ऐड करते हैं पिगमेंट कलर जो कि मिट्टी के आते हैं कुछ पाउडर फॉर्म में, और मिक्स करके इसको पानी में रखना पड़ता है। और इसकी खासियत है कपड़े के ऊपर सारा फ्री हैंड होता है, कोई भी पहले से ड्राइंग नहीं होता। तो हमारी फैमिली में ये 300 साल से चला रहा है कंटिन्यू। अभी हमारी फैमिली में 8वां जनरेशन काम कर रहा है। इस तरह फिक्स होता है। इसको धूप में एक दिन सुखाएंगे, फिर ये वॉशेबल है, जैसे भी आपको वॉश करना हो।
अच्छा, और कलर नहीं निकलता?
कलर नहीं निकलता,
फेड भी नहीं होता?
फेड भी नहीं होता, लाइफ टाइम परमानेंट, जैसे भी आपको वॉश करना हो। हैंड वॉश मशीन
अच्छा,
जो मोदी साहब ने गिफ्ट दिया था वो इस टाइप का डिजाइन था, 3x2 फीट का।
I hope you like my vlog, and if you did then please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.